Doing a headlight lens restorer on my Camry. That's after it's done. With about 5 minutes worth of work.
Okay,
What do we got? Show it to me.
Okay.
Blue Magic headlight lens restorer. Abby's gonna demonstrate it. Not a lot. There. And you just smear it around in circles.
Or like this.
Go little circles. The instructions clearly say, apply product with a clean dry cloth, rubbing in a circle motion to ensure even coverage and removal of haze.
Okay.
Look at that.
Okay.
It's not done, but
Need some more.
you got a lot real fast. Don't get it on the car.
Not trying to, but
Control your motion.
kind of like.
Little scrubby circles. That's enough. Little scrubby circles.
Scrubby circles. Okay. Look at that bottle.
Yeah. Here, hold it. Let me finish it up. Hold that.
Okay, so my dad's gonna finish it up. They're shaking the entire car.
Because I'm putting pressure on it. On the lens.
It's been it only took you like a minute or so to clean that.
I know.
Like 2 minutes or so to clean in that one. I was like, look at that.
Real time. Your finger's in the way.
I know. But I'm zooming.
That is killer.
I put it
That
in
is
at
amazing.
so I clicked on 3. So now it's kind of zoomed in. So now
Right.
go back.
This has been a driveway shop short.